weathering palm trees. Back in the day, you were everything I need. But then along came a time when you crushed my dreams. Oh yeah, you played me like a fool when you made me believe that the line between love wasn't thick enough to read. Oh yeah, you see we in despair, crime everywhere. You're selling false hope cause you just don't care. Nah, you just don't care. Nah, you just don't care. You just don't. Still selling false hope cause you just don't care. House, feel. If we talking to a uniform, who the real? You know we in the deep south, so let's keep it real. This is what they used to mob, lynch, drag, and kill. I never made the party cause I felt the paper bags. Gotta get this money cause you know I never had it. I'm feeling like Badu, the way I carry my baggage. This heavy load on my shoulders might turn me to a savage. Is that why I gotta fight to get respect? That's a shame, who's to blame? I don't know, but all I know is that we still rocking them chains. Still taking that whip, still trying to get paid. Still trying to find God, still trying to act safe. Yeah. Put a youngin' on the corner, now he winning. By 27, he'll be dead or in prison shampoo. Yeah, these are all the terrible conditions that we bind and we put inside the minds of our children. Can't you see we in despair? Look around, we got crime everywhere. But you still sell false hope, cause you just don't care. No, you just don't care. No, you just don't care. You just don't care. I hope my people can really go make a difference instead of being the people incarcerated in prisons. I never got caught for dealing a hole in a stolen pistol, so this one goes out to Warren, my granted justice and crystal. Hold up, if you ain't adept, careful with your step. Get your soul in line, chasing after checks. If you ain't inclined to say what's on your mind, please don't throw your stones at me for speaking what's on mine. Man, I still don't feel that comfy in my own skin. It's hard to find your self-worth as a broken kid. These frames never held images of my own kin. That's why rap sheet the only place we fit it in. Yeah, you can go to court or you go on that court. You do 9 to 5 or you go play a sport. Can't represent the house if you out on that field. If you forget your place, you might turn to Emmett Till. Watch them legislate to execute my brothers that they kill. Got me talking about my problems as a way for me to heal. I went looking for a Beverly when I went to the hills, but I came back with a diamond and a couple dollar bills. Now they got me saying, oh yeah, don't you see we in despair? Got crime everywhere, dark clouds in the air. If you don't know the game, then they ain't playing fair. Still selling false hope to you cause they don't care.
I remember being so naive. Back when life was compared to good weather and palm trees. Back in those days, you were everything that I thought that I need. But then along came a time when you crushed my dreams. You really played me for a fool when you made me believe that the line between love wasn't thick enough to read. Cause you know they say, there's a thin line between love and hate.
Don't you see we in despair? Got crime everywhere, still selling false hope, but you just don't care. No, you just don't care. No, you just don't care. No, you just don't care. Yeah, man, I remember being so naive when life was good, weathering palm trees. Back in the day, you were everything I need. But then along came a time when you crushed my dreams. Oh yeah, you played me like a fool when you made me believe that the line between love wasn't thick enough to read. Oh yeah, you see we in despair, crime everywhere. You're selling false hope cause you just don't care. Nah, you just don't care. Nah, you just don't care. You just don't. Still selling false hope cause you just don't care. House, feel. If we talking to a uniform, who the real? You know we in the deep south, so let's keep it real. This is what they used to mob, lynch, drag, and kill. I never made the party cause I felt the paper bags. Gotta get this money cause you know I never had it. I'm feeling like Badu, the way I carry my baggage. This heavy load on my shoulders might turn me to a savage. Is that why I gotta fight to get respect? That's a shame, who's to blame? I don't know, but all I know is that we still rocking them chains. Still taking that whip, still trying to get paid. Still trying to find God, still trying to act safe. Yeah. Put a youngin' on the corner, now he winning. By 27, he'll be dead or in prison shampoo. Yeah, these are all the terrible conditions that we bind and we put inside the minds of our children. Can't you see we in despair? Look around, we got crime everywhere. But you still sell false hope, cause you just don't care. No, you just don't care. No, you just don't care. You just don't care. You just don't. I hope my people can really go make a difference instead of being the people incarcerated in prisons. I never got caught for dealing a hole in a stolen pistol, so this one goes out to Warren, my granted justice and crystal. Hold up, if you ain't adept, careful with your step. Get your soul in line.
Hello everyone. Hope you're good, guys. Hello Nito, Avery, Nito, Matt. Pat is our the owner of this project. He's online with us. So how are you, Sebastian, and all of you here? We will wait for a few minutes just to let others join, and then we will start our live webinar. Hope everyone is good. Meanwhile, you can tell us from which country you are hearing us from. Hi WFX, it is not your first time here, I can notice this. Lilo, Ifyani, hello everyone. So, from which continent you are hearing us from? Which country? Throw us your country, please. Hey Matt, USA, cheers. Nigeria, nice. India, lovely. Ghana as well. Pakistan, nice to see you all. Yeah, hope you're enjoying this, guys, the lessons and tips we will provide always while doing our market analysis. So I will provide you some tips and why I took a trade, and this will help you to start build your own trading skills. Okay, UK, Brazil, United Kingdom as well. Saint Vincent, is it from Switzerland? Algeria. Nice to see you all, guys. Thanks for coming. And as always, we need just to remind you with a small favor, if you can hit the like button. And for those who cannot interact with us on the live chat because they didn't subscribe yet, so by just clicking the subscribe button, it takes just a few seconds, and then you will be with us on the live chat, and we will be able to analyze your desired assets. Okay, hello. So let us start with a quick market analysis before doing your desired asset. I will start with the Forex market. Here we have the DXY, the index of the dollar. As you can see, the market managed to break this level. We have talked about it last week, and then bounced to the upside. Okay, so this is expected. We have higher lows. Oh, let me make this darker. Sorry. Okay, so we have higher lows breaking this resistance and now retracing to it. What I expect, as any one of you knows, that most probably dollar will rally again until the 93.99 or 94 USD. Okay. What we will do is we will wait until this breaking area or the highlighted zone will be broken, and then we might see a move to the upside. Oh my god, why this change? I already changed it. Okay, so the dollar most probably will rally in the coming days, but first we have a stop, which is the 93.42. Guys, do not forget the like button. This is a very, let's say, it will help us a lot to just click the like button, because it will push our channel, and then we will provide more details, more educational stuff, and more ideas. So it's like a thumbs up for us. Please do not forget it. Next, so the dollar is appreciating, the euro USD, as always we say, it moves in the opposite direction of the dollar. So if dollar up, euro down, and as you can see, it is down. And now it is stuck around the 1.1707. What's next? If this area is broken, then we have another strong area, which is here, as obvious, the low 1.1663. Okay, so if this didn't hold, a shoot or a move to the downside all the way down until 1668. Hello Hafiz, ESPN as well. Hello everyone, hello everyone. Yeah, regarding the desired asset, what I will do is when I finish the market analysis, I will let you know, and then you will start to throw your desired asset and I will do them by order. Okay, for now please do not send them. Once I tell you I'm done, start to send them and then I will do them by order. Hello Azmil. Okay, so this is regarding the forex market. The dollar, we are expecting it to rally in the coming days all the way up until 94, and then the euro will tumble most probably, as always we say, because this is a game of probabilities, and then all the way down until the 1680 or 70, this area. So this is when it comes to the forex market. Another market I would like to talk about is the commodities. Last week we covered the gold and the US oil. So what's happening here is, let me just put this, what's the difference? Okay, so it's the same. Here we have the XU USD. We were expecting that the market will rally to the upside. Just 1 second. Okay, so here we were expecting that the market will rally all the way up until 1789 after testing this area, and this is what happened. So if I remove these drawings from last week, you can see that, as we have discussed, the market reached this area and then tumbled. Okay, last week we were here 20th of September, so I was saying that the market will reach 1789, and this is what happened. It is little bit lower than the 1789, but it is almost there. So our analysis was really accurate when it comes to the gold. Now what's next for gold? What's next is, I see the gold dropping furthermore to the downside. Why? Because guys, here you have lower highs, so the market changed direction from an uptrend to a downtrend. This is how you know that the market changed direction. Here we have higher lows, higher highs. However, on the opposite side, if we look here now, we have lower lows, lower highs, so the direction changed. What's next? As you can see, the market managed to break this area, which is a key level. It might retest to it, and then a huge drop to 1676 for gold. Okay, so everything looks bearish for the gold, even on the lower time frame. This is kind of correction, and after this correction it will do something like this. Okay, as easy as this, guys. Don't complicate your trading strategy. Make it as simple as you can, as long as it is beneficial, for sure. Okay, do not make it easy and simple and it is not working. Okay, so make it as easy as it could be. Oh nice, but he's telling us that 60 people in here and we can get 60 likes. Yeah, this is true. So guys, do not save this like, be generous please. So what I will do, hello Ansari from Pakistan, nice to see you here. Next is the US oil. US oil, last week I still have the drawings. I said the market will test this area and then jump, and this is what happened. It jumped way far than we were expecting, which is here. So the market even broke this structure or the key level 72.62. So the market bounced here and then moved all the way up. Let me see what might happen after this jump. So we have at 72.65 there was a key level around this area here. Let me put the daily. Always guys, whenever you want to put your key levels, what I mean with the key levels are the support and resistance. So the red lines on my chart, these red lines are this support and resistance, or I call them in summary key levels. So the market managed to break this area, even managed to break this strong resistance, so it's obvious that it's stuck around this level here. Okay guys, look how easy trading if you know how to plot some key levels or the basics of tradings. Next, if this level is broken, then all the way up until the 76.93. But my advice for you, since you are here to learn, do not trade this area now. It is so risky. Lot of fake breakouts, and then you will be out of the market because there will be a lot of stop hunt here. Stop hunt. Be aware from those areas. A lot of confirmation needed before trading them all the way up. So this is in brief, we covered US oil and the gold. Let's move to talk about BTC. 2 weeks ago I have drawn my expectation for BTC, and I still have it. Let me search for it. It's around here, backtest. Okay, so this is my drawing. For those who are in the VIP channel know that I already sent this. So we were around, I think, not this week, yeah, maybe this week, last week, 20th of September. So just last week ago I drew this. So what I expect for the BTC. BTC now, it is stuck between those two levels, guys. It's obvious. And if this lasts, then we will enter in a market, in a period, in a ranging market, okay, as I said here. So if this lasts for long, then we will end up with a ranging market, which is annoying. Not my style of trading. I like to see trends. I like to see movement either to the upside or to the downside, because you can make more pips, more money when the market move as a trend, not as a range. So what I see is maybe the market will range, or most probably will move to the upside, and this will become a bullish flag. Okay, but for now it is respecting our drawings. Let's see how this movement, how long it will last. If this is broken with a relevant price action, Bitcoin might reach 50k again. Okay, let's see, but it looks bullish. If you look at the candlestick, we have an engulfing one here, long wicks to the downside, so it's not bad when it comes to the price action, but we have to wait until this area is broken, which is 44k or 44,391. What you're saying, Bando? So you're clicking that like button on here. Yeah guys, don't forget the like button. Even Bando now is memorizing it, knows about it. Next, I will talk a little bit about the ETH or Ethereum. Ethereum is stuck between those two levels. Look, so annoying. 3,152 and 2,739. I'm really afraid of these key levels. I will repeat, always big whales or big banks or whatever, big, here the banks are not anticipated, but let's say whales or big market makers, they look for these key levels to catch the retail traders, to catch their stop loss. So avoid trading directly these levels. Wait for more confirmation. Okay guys, this is something really well known in the world of trading. You should avoid strong key levels before seeing a huge confirmation. Then do not trade them, because there will be a lot of fake breakout and stop hunt. So ETH, for now, it might go for a ranging market before a big move, either to the upside or to the downside. When the market moves in a range, you cannot know who will win this fight, the sellers or the buyers. If the sellers win, then a move to the downside. If the buyers, then to the upside. Okay, at the end, trading is a fight between the sellers and the buyers. Nice to see you all guys here. I will give him bonus for combing his hair and branded transmission. Yes guys, so we did a quick market update, Forex commodities and cryptocurrencies. For sure we didn't cover all of them, the main ones, which is more than important. And now we will take your desired assets. It's time for you to send me your assets, guys. So go and show me your desired asset to analyze them now, please. I will start by order from now. Come on guys, I will wait for your desired assets. Let's try to analyze them. Oh nice, I see some of you here starting to sending me your desired asset. GBP JPY, CHF JPY. Oh nice. Eagle is saying awesome. Bitcoin, man, Bitcoin, we were doing it now. Bitcoin. Bando, you have a nice, how are you? You're funny, man. Like, you're making some jokes, it seems. Bitcoin, okay. Yeah, I will start with GBP JPY, so we're not losing so much time. GBP JPY. I was aiming to buy this currency, but I wasn't. I was late for it, but I was about to buying it around this level here. So the market, it will continue upward as my drawing says, all the way up until 152.30. So whoever asked about GBP JPY, watch out for this area, 152.30. Look why, because there is a strong resistance level. Okay, so if you bought it, congrats and nice trade. CHF JPY is rallying because the USD JPY is rallying as well. Watch out from this area, there is a strong resistance which is 119.83. so the trade must be done. You should have buy it around this level here. Okay, so if you bought it around this level, it was a really nice one. Australian US dollar is little bit ranging these days. I don't like it much. So you can see that Australian US dollar is inside those key levels. If I look on the lower time frame, let me see what's happening. So the lower time frame shows that the market is doing higher lows. Most probably, if this area is broken and closed above it, then it might reach all the way up until 73.17. Okay, Bitcoin, sorry, we did it. GBP USD, let me remove here the drawings. Guys, if I am quick in my analysis, just let me know so I don't rush the analysis. But I do this just to let you just to analyze all your desired assets. Okay, so if everything is clear and understandable, let me know. Okay, Bitcoin USD CAD Team Pran, man, I will do it. I understood, really. Okay, just once, please. I am doing it in order, and we will do as much as we can. USD CHF, I already put a trading idea on the VIP group. I am waiting until this level being triggered, and then all the way up until 93.78. Okay, so let me explain why I took this trade. So the market managed to break the key level here, which is 92.31. So we have a breakout, then a retracement. Here you can see we have long wicks to the downside. So the buyers came again. I can see again the USD CHF all the way up until 93.77. Okay, Even now it is little bit bearish with those 2 wicks, but I can see a new move all the way up. Hope I am right. Okay. Guys, USD CHF. I am waiting for the US. I was seeing the USD CHF. Okay, gold, sorry, we did it now. Okay, USD cap for Team Pran. Guys, do not forget the like button, please. Okay, this is really important to us. I know I am annoying little bit asking you about it, but this is something, it will help us a lot. So USD CAD is really bearish. Also it tested this area 26.99 with a long wick to the downside. This is the stop hunt, guys, that I have talked about. This is here, you will see a lot of fake breakout, lot of beginners, retail traders are stopped out, and then liquidity is there all the way down until 25.84. Got it, guys? So USD CAD done. Are you happy, Team Pran? Hope it was clear for you and my analysis will help you anyway. Okay, GBP USD we did it, right? GBP USD we did it. GBP USD, it is stuck around this level. Okay, 37.33. So there is no way to go more to the upside anytime soon. There will be a lot of fake or false breakout here. Watch out. It did the big move like from here, 36.17 all the way up. Then it is testing this area to see if it goes all the way up until the 38.50. But for now, I do not take any trade for the GBP USD. Gold USD CAD we did. Australian CAD. By the way, I don't know why I don't like the Australian CAD. And if you look at my list, there is no Australian CAD because I think the Australian CAD, it is really slow to move, so I removed it. I like the pairs that moves quickly. Okay, man, you said you start in order. Yeah, Adam, what do you want? I didn't cover your asset. Please let me know. Sorry, but a lot of messages, I cannot see most of your messages, guys, so I apologize if I miss one asset, but I'm trying to do my best. Sorry, guys. Okay, Australian CAD reached a support here, and this is why the market moved to the upside. Another key level that you should look at is this area here. Okay, so the Australian CAD, I do not advise you to buy now, and the opposite, try to sell, because the movement is to the downside. We have impulse, correction, impulse, maybe here, and then tumbling again, 91.59. So it is not wise to buy, although the market is moving to the upside. Okay, try to sell because the momentum is negative. The sellers are in control still. Look, impulse, correction, impulse. Next. Come on, guys. Australian CAD, USD CHF, done. Please, guys, do not repeat the asset many times. Okay, so if I saw if I miss it, someone tell me I missed my asset, I will do it again, but do not type it many times. USD, I did it. Sorry, I will not do it again. Australian USD, we did it. GBP USD, I did it. I will try not to repeat the assets that I already covered. Okay, Euro AUD, sorry, gold, I did it. Sorry. Okay, if some time is left, I will do the euro and the gold and these repetitive ones. Okay, let me do the Euro AUD. Someone asked about the Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Here the market was in a clear upward until a bearish engulfing pattern happened. Okay, and it led to a move to the downside, tested this, and then moved to the upside. So if we go on lower time frame, this is a kind of range. How ugly, how ugly. I don't like to trade this. Okay, so expect this to continue until either one of the sides will be broken. Okay, for now do not trade it because we are near key levels and there is no confirmation that this will continue to the downside. Okay, but for me it looks bearish more than bullish, but I need to see more price action under this to sell it again. Bearish, but I do not sell it. CAD JPY, I think I did it. CAD JPY, let me do it, let me see. Yeah, CAD JPY, watch out from the 87.75. So the big move is already done and it is stuck around 87.75. USD JPY, I didn't do it, we'll do it for you guys. I will do the S&P. Okay, don't worry. USD CHF, USD JPY. USD JPY today and the last 4 days, as you can see, made a huge moves. Okay, the main key level is here. As you can see, the market retraced to it, and I guess the market might reach this area here. Okay, all the way up until 111.08. So bullish, and let me see on the lower time frame. It is going up until it reached the 100.10 100.10. Okay, so the market retraced, found buyers around the swing high, correction, and then a new impulse all the way up until the 110. Okay, CAD CHF, someone asked about CAD CHF. CAD CHF, CAD CHF. Okay, so CAD CHF, it is facing a strong resistance here. You can see why the market couldn't go up again. So there is a resistance here. Okay, you can see if I go like this, even it is more obvious this resistance here, 2 touches. This is a fake breakout. The market is respecting still this area until here. Okay, so do not buy now, wait more candlestick above the 73.17. It is bullish, but do not buy it now because it is now near this level, so it's not wise to buy it. Okay, other S&P, we'll do the S&P. By the way, someone asked me last week about the indices, and I think I had a very good analysis on them. Let me just 1 second to find where I put them. Okay, anyway, I'm not finding. Let me add the S&P. S&P 500. Okay, the S&P is okay. By the way, someone asked me about this, and I told him that it will reach this level, and it already reached it. So 20th of September it was last week, and it went down again. Even the Dutch was a good expectation for me for the Dutch index. Okay, so the market, I said it will go rally, and it rallied after this move to the upside. So I was expecting this move. It was a really good one. Anyway, let's see when it comes to the S&P 500. S&P 500. Not my style of trading, or I don't like much the S&P, the indices, but we'll do them for you guys. Okay, so let me take this one. Just which one do you use usually? Let's say the S&P 500, this one. Let me S&P 500. Give me the ticker, please, so I can do it for you. Bando House Productions. Give me the I will do the ETF. Okay, I think I will take this one. Okay, so SPX. So as you know guys, there was a big drop in the indices, the western one especially. The market moved to the downside, but it seems here the market found support. Okay, so when the market moves to the downside, you can see it couldn't close, it couldn't continue to move to the downside. It closed below it, but it didn't, or it wasn't able to continue to move to the downside. So fake out, and then the market move all the way up. Bando, if you're trading this, the market is stuck around this area. There is a resistance here. You can see it by this this big bodied bearish candlestick, which is why now the market could not continue up. Okay, so I'm more into buying the dip, waiting for the market going to the downside and buying it around here. Okay, so it is wiser to buy it here. Now the market is stuck, it is facing a strong resistance. Okay, so if this was tested many times and there is a relevant price action above it, then buy it again. Okay, but for now I do not buy it. Watch out. If you want to buy it, wait until it retraces here or it dip and then buy it again. So now the market is making some sort of consolidation, which is not bad, under a resistance, which could lead to a big move to the upside. But it's too early to buy it now. Too early. Okay, guys, I think we're good for today. We covered a lot of desired assets provided by you. We need to remind you with a quick like before leaving and subscribing. This is really good for us. Thank you everyone, and I wish you a happy trade and a lovely day. Bye bye.